Welcome back, everybody. Today I want to show you the beach cart I built. Uh, really only cost me about $100 using parts and pieces I collected. I do construction, so it was easy to collect parts, but this is the box that I started with. I got it for about $40 at Home Depot. It was one of those deals where you buy a Husky tool, you get it for $40. So this is what I used. Stripped the wheels off of it to, of course, upgrade, and we took this piece of pipe, drilled a couple holes in it, put some bolts in it, like so, mounted that to the front of the cart, kind of gave us a leg for the bigger wheels we were going to put on it. Took these wheels off of an old lawnmower and painted everything cool beachy color. So once I got all that painted, we put the wheels on it and put some decals and some straps and mounts and whatnot on it so we could have a beach cart. So there's our strap for our fishing pole holders, and then viewed from the inside, got our rods on there, a little net. We've even got a live bait bucket that I built. It attaches to the back of the beach cart.
Here's my beach cart, guys. Built this sucker the last few weeks just for this trip, and got my sand fleet rake that I just bought down here. Didn't really make a place for that, wasn't planning on that, but cup holder, fish cutter on top, got my bait bucket in the back. Didn't bring my bait bucket today, it's up at the house because I don't have any live bait, they're out. So I'm fishing with sand fleas and fish bites. And so inside we got our cooler, we've got our light, we've got fish ruler, tackle bag, towel, little shovel, some pliers and weighers and all this fun stuff. So pretty much that's it. That's my beach cart. Built it, took a couple weeks, and had a lot of fun with it, but yeah, I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna enjoy using it. So you guys have fun. Tight lines.